How to use Replit Agent to create apps. First, open your web browser and go to replit.com. Then sign into your Replit account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create App and choose Replit Agent or Build with AI, depending on the version you're using. Next, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the app you want to build. For example, type Create a personal expense tracker with user login, a dashboard, expense categories, charts, and dark mode. After entering your prompt, click Generate. Replit Agent will analyze your request and automatically create the app, including the user interface, project structure, and code. Once the app is ready, review the live preview. If you'd like to make changes, simply type another prompt, such as add a profile page, or include a search feature, or improve the mobile design. Replit Agent will update your app automatically. Next, click Run to test your application and make sure everything works correctly. Finally, when you're satisfied with the result, click Deploy to publish your app online. Replit will provide a shareable link, and if your plan supports it, you can also connect a custom domain. That's it. You've successfully created an app using Replit Agent.